much here with July's EarFleek. If you don't know what EarFleek is, it is a monthly subscription service for earrings. It's awesome. There are 3 different styles to choose from. There's boho babe, silly and fun, and minimalist but groovy. Each style is $3.49 a month. You can just pick one, or you can pick all 3 like I do. And if you're just signing up for it, you can find some online codes that give you your first month for 50% off. So that's awesome. But I have been subscribing to EarFleek for about a year now. And there's so much awesome and fun and stylish and pretty earrings that you get. So to me, so far, it's worth it. You can see these are from another month. These, I believe, were the silly and fun ones. They used to label the envelopes to tell you which one was which, but they don't anymore. So it's a guessing game to which style is in which envelope. So, without further ado, envelope number 1. So inside the envelope you get a card, and it's the same every month. They picked it out just for you. Hey girls, see? See, they just picked it out just for me. Just for me. So, then sometimes you get like temporary tattoos or a hairstyle or something. This time, nothing. Just the earrings and the card. And the earrings, they do really well packaging the earrings so they don't get damaged. They give you these nice bags, which I love. And let's see, they're black. Oh, these are really cool looking. Little triangles, little dangly earrings, one straight, one curved. Those are really pretty. They also put them in this little tube so that it doesn't bend the stems of the earrings, which are really nice. And these are actually, this isn't a breakable tube. Ha! And the tube serves as its backing. Or maybe, or I'm just a dork and I can't break it. Anyways, there are these. So, your guess on which style this one is. Let's open envelope number 2 to see what that one is. My card. And they come bubble wrapped, which my cat loves, and I love, because who doesn't love bubble wrap? All right, pair number 2. If I can get them open. Da-da-da! Oh, these are super, I like these. Little purplish ball. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. Maybe. Little shiny jewel there, dangly silver. I'm so happy. EarFleek does a lot of gold colored earrings, and I'm not a fan of gold at all, but they did send me a message saying that they were putting out more silver colored earrings, and here's a pair. Yay! I really like these. These are super cute. I like that it's not just a ball, like a silver ball here, but it's like a little CZ. No, it's a diamond, sure. All right. And envelope number 3. Get my card. And bubble wrap. And, oh, I can't get them out of the package. They're stuck. They're stuck. I can get them. It's hard to send plastic packages here in Arizona. Alright, these are a little much. I don't know how often I'd wear these, but these, God, it's so hard to tell when they don't label the packages which ones are which. They're all dangly this month. So it's up to you to guess which one is which. Boho babe, silly but fun. Yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments which one you think is which. And EarFleek, if you're out there, you can tell me which one is which, or start labeling the packages again. So, that is July's EarFleek. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to check out my Facebook page at Dutch Reviews. I'll leave links to all of that in the comments. And I will see you next month for the next EarFleek. Bye.